yellowish colour-related collection. Seeing red, blue collar, grey area, green thumb, black sheep. Seeing red. The expression seeing red is used to describe a state of intense anger, usually resulting from a sudden and unexpected provocation. The term comes from the physical reaction some people have when they get angry, which causes their faces to flush and their vision to become blurred. When John saw his car's windshield had been smashed, he started seeing red and yelled at the top of his lungs. Blue collar. The term blue collar typically refers to workers who perform manual labour and are employed in industries such as manufacturing, construction, transportation, and mining. These workers are often paid hourly wages and may not require formal education. The factory hired a large number of blue-collar workers to operate the heavy machinery and assemble the products. Grey area. The term grey area refers to a situation or concept that is unclear, uncertain, or undefined. It is used to describe situations where there is a lack of clarity, making it difficult to determine what is right or wrong, acceptable or unacceptable, or legal or illegal. The issue of personal privacy in the age of social media is a grey area, as it can be difficult to determine what information is public and what is private. Green thumb. The term green thumb is used to describe a person who has a natural talent for gardening or growing plants. A person with a green thumb has a knack for keeping plants healthy, thriving, and beautiful, and often enjoys working in a garden or tending to houseplants. My neighbour has a real green thumb. Her garden is always full of beautiful flowers and healthy plants. Black sheep. The idiom black sheep is used to describe a person who is considered to be an outcast or a troublemaker within their family or community. The term is often used to describe someone who is seen as different, rebellious, or irresponsible, and who does not fit in the expectations or values of the group. Mark's parents were both successful doctors, so when he decided to pursue a career in music, he was seen as the black sheep of the family.